Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Battlefield 6 in a few easy steps that anyone can follow. Packet loss can cause lag, rubber banding, or even disconnects, so let's fix that. First, make sure you're using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Ethernet gives a more stable signal and helps reduce packet loss. Next, restart your router and PC or console. Sometimes packet loss happens because of temporary network issues. Next, if you're on PC, open command prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one. First is ipconfig space /flushdns, then press enter, and then type netsh space winsock space reset, then restart your computer. Lastly, try switching to another Battlefield 6 server that's closer to your region. Lower ping servers often mean less packet loss. That's it, simple fixes that can help smooth out your gameplay. If this helped you, leave a like and comment fix below.